folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to film for you guys the Alma by Tim Sistem. So the Alma is going to be a little bit different than the North stove. It has more cast iron components. So we sell a lot of the North. I have a lot of videos. You can go ahead and check those out. The North is pretty much going to be all steel, and this Alma has the cast iron components. So cast iron on the firebox and on the oven doors here. Your flue collar is going to be cast iron, and your cooktop is going to be cast iron as well. It does just have a painted black frame around it. This model is going to be available in the white that's shown here. It's available in red shown here. We also have it in black and orange as well. The firebox is going to be fully gasketed. It's going to have fire brick on one side. When you're facing the firebox, on the left-hand side of the stove is going to be fire brick, and on the rear, and then on the right-hand side of I guess this is going to be reversible because you can choose your flue side. So the wall between the firebox and the oven is always going to be a cast iron lining. Okay, so this is going to be shown with a right-hand flue, which means the oven is on the right-hand side. We could also order it in a left-hand flue, which means the firebox would be on the right and the oven would be on the left. It does have a cast iron grate located in the bottom of the firebox, which can be removed for a deeper firebox. It does come standard with an ash pan, and your firebox door is going to be fully gasketed, as well as the firebox glass. This does have a nice large baking oven. One thing I do want to point out is that the oven door does not have any type of gasket. This can be common on certain stoves to keep the oven from getting too hot. I've done some baking in La Nordica stoves, and I've kind of mentioned that in the past, that when your oven's at like 700 or 800 degrees, if you're not broiling something, that can be just too hot, especially for lower temperatures. So this is going to be a full stainless steel oven on the bottom, top, and sides. It comes with 3 levels for a wire rack, and it comes standard with just 1 baking rack. Located at the bottom of the stove is going to be a simple pan drawer. You can use it to store your pans or also to store kindling as well. You do just have 2 simple damper controls. To control your baking oven is going to be located here. Pushed in would be for heating mode, and pulled out is going to be for baking. So when you're starting your fire or operating the stove, you want your oven to be off because you don't want to be circulating that extra dirty smoke at the initial light of your fire. You want to have your stove burning for 30 to 40 minutes, nice and hot, before you ever activate your oven damper. Otherwise, you're going to have more creosote buildup around the oven. You're going to have to clean out the stove much more than you would otherwise need to do. This unit does just have 1 removable lid located directly above the firebox, and it is a single plate, so it's not going to be multi-removable. And then, let's see, this model can also be a top or a rear vent, just like the Northwood cook stove. I want to show you guys the bare bones body of the Alma as well. You can see they put the inserts in here for the firebox, the oven, and add the ash pans at the end. Okay, here we have the top view of the construction. This is going to be the Alma model side view. And this is kind of where they just insert those nice ceramic tiles that go on the side of the stove. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give them a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, and have a wonderful day.